Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Carroll County in north-central Maryland, northwestern Howard County in central Maryland, northeastern Montgomery County in central Maryland until 10:15 p.m. At 9:49 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 9 miles southwest of Westminster to Mount Airy to Green Valley, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Damascus, Eldersburg, Mount Airy, Sacresville, Oakland, Gamber, Finksburg, Henriton, West Friendship, Winfield, Lisbon, Glenwood, Louisville, Dayton, Gaber, Watersville, Poplar Springs, Roxbury Mills, Woodbine, and Gleanold. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.